Most WordPress SEO plugins give you fields to fill out. Scout SEO gives you a system. It analyzes your site, surfaces real opportunities, builds an execution queue, and tells you exactly what to optimize next. Let me show you how it works. In this demo, you're going to see all of Scout SEO's modules and their features. To keep things organized, we'll group them into 6 major sections. First steps, signals, analysis, execution, strategy, and operations. If you want to learn about any module in more detail later, we also have a collection of shorter demos that take a deeper look at each feature. First steps. Let's start with the settings page. This is where you'll activate your license key and control which modules you want to use. Each module represents a major workflow, and you can enable or disable them depending on your needs. For example, if we disable the traffic module, you'll see that the traffic dashboard disappears from the plugin menu. Module control is great for keeping things simple for beginners, while still giving advanced users the flexibility to tailor Scout exactly to their site. Next, let's take a look at the Scout dashboard. From here, you can quickly access all of the plugin's modules as well as their guides. If we scroll down a bit, you'll also see a snapshot of your site's SEO health. This includes things like orphan pages posts with low SEO scores, technical issues, traffic drops, and pages that get strong traffic but could rank even higher. If you'd prefer a faster setup process, Scout also includes a setup wizard. The wizard walks you through 7 simple steps and configures the plugin automatically based on your site and goals, giving you a quick and easy starting point. The platform module provides a quick overview of how Scout interacts with your WordPress environment, including compatibility information and system specifications. If you're ever unsure how a module works, the guide section contains a collection of collapsible walkthroughs explaining what each module does and how to use it. And the first time you open any module, Scout will launch a short interactive tutorial that highlights the most important parts of the interface. You can replay these tutorials anytime if you need a quick refresher. Signals. Now let's move on to signals, which show you how your site is currently performing. The first module here is the Growth Center. This section shows how your site is performing across the 3 major areas of SEO, content, link structure, and traffic. Scout combines those signals into a site-wide growth score, along with a list of recommended actions. These recommendations can be placed into an execution queue so you can tackle improvements in a clear and organized order. For teams or agencies, actions can also be assigned to specific users, making it easier to coordinate SEO work. A major part of your site's growth score comes from individual page SEO scores. Each page, post, or product is evaluated based on a detailed list of SEO criteria and assigned a grade from A to F. From the WordPress post list, you can quickly see SEO scores, growth index values, internal link counts, focus keywords, all of which can be updated directly from the interface. We'll look more closely at how these scores are calculated when we reach the execution section. Next is the traffic dashboard. This module tracks and reports how your site is performing over time, letting you view traffic trends daily, weekly, or monthly. You can easily see which pages are performing well and which ones may need improvement. Scout can also pull data directly from Google Search Console. Using the Search Console module, you can connect your Google account and import impressions, clicks, and ranking data, so those signals appear alongside your traffic metrics. Analysis. Now let's move on to analysis, which is where Scout helps you understand what content is working and where opportunities exist. The first tool here is SEO audits. Scout includes a built-in crawler that scans your site for both technical and on-page SEO issues. You can control how many pages are scanned and how deeply the crawler explores your site. Audit reports provide both a site-wide overview and detailed results for each page that was analyzed. Audits can also be scheduled to run automatically hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. Each audit is logged so you can compare historical scores and see how changes affect your site's SEO health. Next is keyword analysis. Here you can select any page, post, or product and analyze how well its content aligns with a specific keyword. Scout generates a score along with optimization suggestions, which can be sent directly to the page editor as a to-do list. This module also includes a full site scan that identifies words and phrases your content already performs well for. The keyword research module helps you discover new keyword opportunities. By entering a topic, audience, or location, Scout generates suggestions along with metrics such as popularity and ranking difficulty. Keywords can be saved to a keyword library, making them easy to reference later when creating new content. Next is competitor analysis. This module allows you to compare your site against competitors for specific keywords. Scout highlights optimization gaps, differences in keyword usage, and opportunities where your content could be improved. Execution. Now let's look at execution, where you actually implement SEO improvements. The content suggestion engine analyzes your site's existing content, keywords, and topics, then recommends ideas for new content that could improve your rankings. A huge part of on-page SEO involves metadata, and the bulk metadata editor makes updating metadata across your entire site fast and efficient. The spreadsheet style editor allows you to edit metadata for pages, posts, products, and taxonomies all in one place. This includes fields for SEO titles, meta descriptions, indexing controls, sitemap inclusion, and schema assignments. Next is the schema builder. Structured data helps search engines quickly understand what your pages are about. Scout allows you to create reusable schema templates for common structures, while also supporting custom snippets for pages that require more detailed, structured data. Finally, the Page Edit Meta box brings all of these optimization tools directly into the page editor. Here you can see the page's SEO score, review optimization suggestions, and apply improvements immediately without leaving the editor. Strategy. Now let's move on to strategy. The internal link map and graph visualizes how pages connect across your site. This helps you identify authority hubs, weak clusters, and orphan pages so you can strengthen your internal link structure. Scout also analyzes backlink scores, helping you understand how external links contribute to your site's authority. The redirect engine ensures users and search engines are properly routed when URLs change, preventing broken links and preserving ranking signals. Scout also includes a sitemap generator, which automatically builds and maintains sitemaps so search engines can discover your content efficiently. Another important part of SEO strategy is content distribution, and Scout includes a built-in social media publisher and scheduler. This module allows you to connect multiple social platforms and schedule posts directly from inside Scout. Content can be shared immediately or scheduled in advance, making it easier to promote optimized pages and keep your social channels active without leaving WordPress. By combining SEO optimization with social distribution, Scout helps ensure that your content doesn't just rank well, but also reaches a wider audience. Operations. The final section is operations, which includes tools for maintaining the technical health of your site. The site dashboard includes tools for caching and performance optimization. The robots.txt editor allows you to quickly control how search engines crawl your site. And finally, the portability module allows you to export your entire Scout configuration so it can be reused on another site. Why Scout? SEO professionals end up using several different tools at the same time. One plugin to optimize pages, another platform for keyword research and site audits, and another tool to schedule social posts. Scout was built to combine the most useful parts of those systems into one platform. Most WordPress users rely on plugins like Yoast, Rank Math, or all-in-one SEO to handle on-page optimization tasks. When it comes to deeper research and competitive analysis, people turn to platforms like SEMrush. And once their content is ready to promote, tools like Buffer are often used to publish and schedule posts across social media. The problem is, this usually means juggling multiple dashboards and multiple subscriptions. The typical yearly cost per site for these platforms range. Yoast SEO Premium, $118.80. Rank Math Pro, $83.88. All-in-one SEO Pro, $49.50. SEMrush Pro Plan is a staggering $1,668 a year. And Buffer Essentials is another $72 a year. If you combine even the cheapest WordPress SEO plugin with tools like SEMrush and Buffer, the yearly cost can look something like this. Now, instead of paying close to $1,800 per year across multiple platforms, Scout combines those workflows into one system for $69.99 per site per year. In other words, Scout doesn't just replace an SEO plugin. It replaces an entire stack of SEO tools directly inside WordPress.